This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
Yes.
It relates to Miller that I have that recruitment process Miller and Miller here Miller I passed Miller written test as well as PET, PMT and now in PET Miller I have to complete Miller 1600 meters run within 6 minutes 30 seconds. According to my client Miller they have complete, but Miller it has been mentioned Miller in page 32 Lordship. They have been rejected on the ground Miller they have completed 7 laps in 5 minutes 44 seconds. Still Miller 1 minute left for me to complete the run. Curiously enough,
My lord, totally wrong submission by the learned friend, my lord.
You are required to take 6 laps.
8 laps, my lord.
then আমাকে
Hear
ভাই,
me.
please take your seat.
I will hear you, Mr. Shah. Don't. This is their petition.
My lord, he is
Now,
making wrong submission before your
Maybe, but
lordship.
he will make his submission. Whatever may be the wrong submission, he will
Take your seat.
contradict you.
Whatever I wrong, you make me correct.
Please take your seat. Please
My
take your
lord.
seat. Please take your seat. Don't jump up on him. It is his case. Allow him to place his case. according to-
My lord.
Now, according your case is this that the petitioners participated in the selection process, qualified in written test, shortlisted, then participated in physical measurement test.
Passed.
Physical measurement test, petitioner was declared eligible. Then in physical efficiency test, petitioner failed. Now, petitioners, not petitioner, but petitioners were required to run 6 laps,
8 laps.
8 laps, but they could not run 8 laps.
According to them, Millard, they says Millard that there is a timing Millard. 8 laps, 1600 meters I have to run within 6 minutes and 30 seconds.
1000.
1600 meters run.
Just a minute.
21 Millard.
Meter run
In 6 minutes 30 seconds.
6 minutes 30 seconds. That was the criteria set. That was the criteria set. Now, in the case of the petitioners, what happened?
Case of the petitioner is Millard. According to the petitioner said Millard, they have completed the run of 8 laps within the stipulated time. But Millard, in the result Millard, it has been disclosed that they have completed only 7 laps and that too Millard on 5 minutes 44 seconds. Still 1 minute left for me to complete. Now Millard, if I ask this question to myself Millard, I have participated in a selection process Millard
Where is the result?
in page 32 Millard.
Yes, page 32.
Lordship, kindly see Millard, RID 9, Sandeep Pramanik, roll number so and so, LC Labs 7, TM 544, 4.477.
So you could not complete the laps.
According to them, Millard, but I say Millard, I have completed the run within the
You
time.
may have become tired. You could not complete the laps.
But Millard, may I? If it could happen, Millard,
If authorities tell you to take 10 laps, will you be able to?
yes, because this is the criteria, Millard.
You can play cricket well. This court knows. But will you be able to take 10 laps of Eden Garden
Millard, this is the criteria.
at this age?
No, Millard, this is
So this has happened in case of the petitioners.
no, Millard, all the petitioners, the same thing has been happened, Millard.
Yes. All are not physically able candidates. Those who are participating.
No, Millard, they
Now,
are-
who will decide it? It's a factual aspect.
No, but I
Who
have
will
said-
decide it?
No, but I have said, Millard, they have been provided with, Millard, this entire process has been done with, Millard. There is a, Millard, machine.
Somebody tells me to take 10 laps of Eden Garden.
No, Millard.
Whether it is
that's-
possible
Millard,
for me.
Millard, no, that is not any examination, Millard. This is a selection process.
It is.
Millard, they knows, Millard, may I say one thing, Millard, they knows, Millard, they have to complete 8 laps to qualify this.
So after taking 7 laps, who knows that petitioners may become tired.
Millard, all these 5% have done the same thing.
Yes, that is permissible. That is possible, not permissible, but
Millard,
possible.
That's what I'm
That is
saying, Millard.
possible.
That's what I'm saying, Millard.
Because all the candidates who are participating in the physical efficiency test are not going to pass.
No, but I'm not on that.
That's why a criteria is set.
Yes,
It's a
Millard.
competitive examination.
That's what I'm saying, Millard. That I know there this is a competitive examination. I passed two hurdles. Now in the third hurdle, my lord, I have prepared
If
myself.
court start allowing these writ petitions, then there will be a floodgate in the
No, no, my lord,
court.
that is not a
Everybody will
floodgate,
come and
no, no, no,
say
my
that
lord.
yes, there will be a further physical
No, 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 my
efficiency
lord.
test.
No, I am not on that, my lord. His lordship has passed an order in PET, my lord, directing them, my lord, to take. His lordship has passed a PET, PMT. Now, my lord, this order has been travelled to appeal. Instead of, my lord,
That is their right. What can be done?
I have not said anything, my lord. But his lordship's view was that an opportunity was given. Here, my lord, no, nothing is there, my lord. And I have categorically stated in my petition. Also,
That is on
my
a
lord,
different facts and circumstances of the case.
maybe, but my lord, this one, my lord, what I was on is not kindly takes page 22 once. Page 22. What I will mention, my lord, that timing of an individual runner shall be taken with the help of radio frequency identification device RFID technology.
Which
Only
paragraph?
page 22, my lord, at the Roman note, Roman 4.
Only one chance will be given for physical efficiency. The venue of physical measurement and physical efficiency will be decided by the West Bengal Police
So, my lord, I know everything, my lord. That's what, my lord, I am submitting to his lordship, my lord. When I know
So
everything.
if there was a provision for appeal, then court could have
Here is-
passed an order.
here, my lord,
There is no
no
provision for
for
appeal.
nothing, my lord. But that's what, my lord, I made a representation to them thereafter. In page 37 onwards, my lord. I have
No, consideration of representation
I am
will
not on
not
that,
serve
my lord.
any
I am
purpose.
not on that, my lord. What I was on is, my lord, I have completed the 8 laps within the time.
It's not very easy. 1600-meter run in 6 meter
Yes, my
30
lord.
seconds.
My lord, that's why, my lord, I am
It's not
saying,
very
my
easy
lord,
thing.
no, if I lordship kindly takes, my lord, 7 laps they completed 5.44.
Each lap contains, meaning thereby each lap contains 200 meters.
200 meters, yes.
So therefore, a candidate is required to take 8 laps to complete 1600.
My lord, now, my lord, here,
Some
my lord,
of the candidates may become tired after completing
I am- my lord,
1400 meters. So where is the wrong in it?
no, I am not disputing that, my lord. If I could not have, my lord, then I could not come before his lordship, knowing fully well that I am not able to. But here, my lord, these 5%, my lord, have completed the race, my lord. That's what only thing I just showed to his lordship, that they have completed 7 laps in 5.44. 5 seconds, 5 minutes and 44 seconds. So till 1 minute left for them to complete the race. So, my lord, at that juncture, my lord, what prompted me?
If you conduct a marathon, you will find that
Yes.
normally
Yes.
50% participants
Withdraw.
cannot
Excuse them.
cannot complete the run.
Cannot complete. But here, my lord, I have. That's what I'm saying, my lord. That 7 laps I have completed in 5.44. Still 1 minute left for me to complete the 1 lap.
Yes, what is your report?
Yesterday I have submitted before your lordship, my lord.
Yes. Candidates never shown.
My lord, there are qualified
Just a
21.
minute, paragraph 5, just a minute. I have marked it. Issue. Petitioners have approached this court with a common grievance. Now, first the writ petition is entertained, placing reliance on the judgment of this court dated 13 January 2026, passed on a writ petition being WPA 27327 দেখে নেবে to 27327 of 2025 within bracket Masidul Islam versus State of West Bengal, wherein this court decided wherein this court held that writ petition before the High Court, before the single bench of High Court is maintainable. if benches under the tribunal, under the West Bengal Administrative Tribunal are not available. Next paragraph. Petitioners have approached this court with the present writ petition, ventilating common grievance that they were declared common grievance that they were wrongly declared they were wrongly declared takeda. They are wrongly disallowed in physical efficiency test within bracket PET in connection with the selection process, that is in connection with the selection process, that is takeda, in connection with the selection process for filling up the posts of constable in West Bengal Police for the year 2024. Stop. Mr. Basu Mallik, learned advocate representing the petitioners, submits that they qualified in written test or in CBT, computer-based written test or written test.
Written
They
examination, they
qualified in
passed.
written test. They qualified in written test and were shortlisted, and subsequently they were declared. They were declared fit candidate after participating physical measurement test
My lord.
within bracket PMT. However, in physical efficiency test, petitioners failed, though petitioner could run 600 meter.
1600 meter.
1600 meter. Petitioner could run 1600 meter. Which is the prescribed distance in PET, or which is the requisite distance a candidate is required to run in PET. Stop. It is contended on behalf of the petitioners that as per norms, candidate is required to complete 600 meters by running 8 laps in
6.30
Just-
minutes. My lord.
wait, if I require, I will ask you.
Sorry, my lord.
Why you are getting so excited? Please take your seat.
Sorry, my lord.
It's not you are not a person who has joined other day. Please take your seat. If I require, I will ask you.
My lord.
কি বলছিলাম? The 600 meter complete 1600 meters. Complete 1600 meters by running 8 laps within 6 minutes 30 seconds. Stop. Though petitioners completed though petitioners completed stop. According to the petitioners, they completed the distance prior to 6 minutes 30 seconds. while running as they were told to cover. But petitioners were declared. But petitioners were declared. But candidature of the petitioners were disallowed. But candidature of the petitioners were disallowed. Stop. Placing reliance upon an endorsement made on the admit card of petitioner number 1. It is submitted that when petitioner could run 1400 meters within bracket 7 laps, taking 5 minutes 44 seconds, he could run another 200 meter within the prescribed time, that is 6 minutes 30 seconds. Now, prayer is made for issuing direction upon the concerned respondent authorities, which would permit the petitioners to participate again in PET. Next paragraph. Mr. Shahi, learned additional government pleader representing the state respondents, has opposed this writ petition based on a report dated 2nd February 2026, submitted by Deputy Superintendent of Police, within bracket administration, admin and law, close bracket, West Bengal Police Recruitment Board. Stop. The report dated 2nd February 2026 is on record. Or is taken on record. Is taken on record. Stop. Next paragraph. It is disclosed in the report in case of petitioner number 1, that he appeared in PET on 13 January 2026 under Bardwan Range Recruitment Board, where he completed 7 laps, that is 1400 meters race in 5 minutes 44 colon দেবে শুধু 477 seconds instead of 8 laps, that is 1600 meters race in 6 minutes 30 seconds, as a result whereof he was declared unfit. Similar situation took place in respect of other petitioners, resulting in declaring those petitioners unfit in PET. Though it is submitted, next paragraph, though it is submitted on behalf of the petitioners that when petitioners could run shorter length of distance than 600 meters or than 1600 meter, than 1600 meter within than 1600 meter in less than 6 minutes 30 seconds, they could run a requisite distance of 1600 meter. Stop. However, report dated 2nd February 2026, report dated 2nd February 2026 reveals different situation, and it is pointed out in the said report that none of the petitioners completed 1600 meter run by taking 8 laps, and prior to that they had to stop running. Stop. Next paragraph. The selection process which is being conducted by the concerned respondent authorities for filling up the post of constable in West Bengal Police for the year 2024 is a competitive examination where all participants in PET may not qualify. Stop. Whether petitioners could run 1600 meters or not within the prescribed time of 6 minutes 30 seconds is a factual issue which cannot be delved into in the writ in considering the present writ petition, which cannot be delved into while considering the present writ petition. Stop. Court needs to rely upon the report furnished by the recruiting authority in order to ascertain whether candidates could run the prescribed distance within the prescribed time or not. It is next paragraph. As it is disclosed in the report dated 2nd February 2026 that petitioner could not run the requisite distance within the prescribed time, no relief can be granted to the petitioners. Stop. Writ petition stands dismissed.
Let a copy of this
Every obliged, my lord.
let a copy of this report be given to me.
Yes, a report filed, copy of the report dated 2nd February, dated
আছে তোমার কাছে?
2nd February 2026 is made out
Handed
to
over,
the
my
learned advocate representing the petitioners.
Highly obliged, my lord.
It is 1600 meter within 6 minutes 30 seconds.
My lord. Highly obliged, my lord.